Mobility is an important component of the airline. I mean, if you think about it, our crew members are the most mobile people in the world. They're more mobile than the road warriors of sales group forces or anything like that. Providing them smart devices and mobile devices was really a way for us to keep in contact with them and to provide them with tools that we couldn't in the past. So these devices have really opened up opportunities that we just didn't have before. The flight deck is a very active area on an airplane, and there's a lot of paper that goes along with it. Manuals that have thousands of pages, charts that are essentially the road maps to help them get from point A to point B. All of that is done on paper today, and so by introducing an electronic charting system and electronic manuals, they're able to bookmark, they're able to highlight, they're able to stack the several pieces of paper electronically across the top of their tablet and then just tap on whichever particular information that they're looking for at the time. To keep the manuals, the paper current, there's a lot of distribution, a lot of printing, as you can imagine, a lot of shipping. And today now they just go into their secure content locker from AirWatch and they tap and they get the updates. And one of the added benefits of having the tablets on board the aircraft is it eliminates the need for the crew members to carry on their bag. With the tablet, we can actually take them completely off the flight deck, off the aircraft. We're able to communicate with them using Wi-Fi before they leave, during the flight, after they land. They're just always connected now. So opening up that ability to communicate with our crew members has been a huge benefit for us.
Well, right now we're primarily using it as a point-of-sale device, and for our flight attendants to get their email, to get company information. They can get on Delta.com and get customers' information. Customers really noticed when we launched with our current device because we had up-to-date technology, we had a good point-of-sale system. It works very quickly for them. So the flight attendant was happy, the customer was happy. We get much more personalized in the service that we're able to give. You know, whatever the customer wants to tell us about their preferences, we can make sure that we honor that on board.
We needed communication availability. We needed a mobile device manager. We needed an application. We needed all sorts of things that came from various companies. So we were already using AirWatch to manage all of the company devices, and so we went to AirWatch and notified them that, listen, we're going to expand dramatically in this field, and we're going to expand on the Windows platform. Would you be able to support us in controlling and managing those devices? There wasn't a lot of expertise around how do you manage a Windows mobile device. And so we had to work night and day with AirWatch and with Microsoft to develop the capabilities that did not exist a year ago when we started this. It's quite a transformation, and the feedback that we get from the crew members is very positive. There are so many new things that we can do now that we have that platform on the aircraft that the challenge today is really what's the right next thing to do and what will bring us the most benefit.
If you think about a world 3 years down the line where there's a flight family, so the maintenance person can talk to the flight attendant, can talk to the gate agent in real time, and we can get people on board quicker. We can tell people at the gate, I'm sorry, the bins are full, not after you take it down there and then we have to check. So there's all kinds of information we can do to get the flight out faster. And then again, once on board, the information that we now have about customers, unaccompanied minors, we can personalize our service in the airplane. The possibilities are endless.
The next steps in the future lie with being able to communicate more effectively on the ground and in the air than we can do today by virtue of the fact that we have these mobile devices and that capability is there. We just need to leverage it and unlock it.